I'm not going to say I did the best ever job applying these, but I want to show you the potential of using cluster eyelashes instead of a strip. So stay tuned. First step is I put just a light coat of your mascara on. So take your first cluster by pulling it from the base, not the end of the lashes, or you can mess it up. You apply a little of the adhesive. I dropped this on the floor and I have cats, so it's pretty gross, but I just picked it up and went for it. So the products I'm using are not the kit that I have linked, that I do earn a small commission at no cost to you if you decide to buy. This is a leftover SeneGence adhesive. It's in a mascara wand form. And any adhesive you use, you want to apply it and let it become a little tacky before putting it on your lash. I am also using a tool from SeneGence, but the one comes in the kit is great. So what this little tweezer looking thing does is it actually puts the cluster into your natural lashes along with the adhesive. It just kind of helps it all to connect and stay. I really like using it to pick the lashes up and help apply it as well. I do kind of scrape the cluster off with my fingernail because it can tear them up if you're, manhandle it too much. All right, see? Some of these go just beautifully, and some you have to kind of pull it off and start again, as you will see me doing. You will get the hang of this. Like, I hadn't done this in a while, and after the first few clusters, I was like getting a kind of a flow going, and so don't give up. I am not saying I picked the right length for my small hooded aging eyes, so this is a little dramatic, but I thought, let's go with it. So I'm kind of switching techniques here a little bit. And I thought, well, I'm going to put a little bit of this adhesive on with the wand on my lashes. You don't have to do it that way. It had been a minute since I have done this. So I was trying different things. So I just like to dip it on the very end of it, like I'm doing here, and then set it on there. There is a technique you can go up under the lashes, but I like it over because I feel like it makes my eyes look too small when I put them under. As you are placing your lashes on, you want them pointing the right direction. That's important. And if it looks like it's going wrong, then just kind of take it off before it adheres and go again. You'll get the flow of how to stick it in your tool to kind of place it and how to hold it, and you will figure it out. It will get easier. And I really think these are great because you can just put some out on the outer edges instead of going all the way across. Now, these were too long and too curly to do that effect without it being like crazy pants. But anyway, there's so many styles of these. There's short, there's long, there's thick, there's natural. There's so many styles you can use of these, and you can mix them. You can do longer from the outside and graduate it to shorter. A lot of the kits will come with different sizes. I like my lashes to look thick and shorter, but these were fluffy, curly, and long. So just experiment and don't give up. If you have some old batches of something, you can just mix them with your whatever you've got. Most of these will stay on just 1 day to 2 day. My SeneGence formula, which I'll do a video of that sometime, the mascara is 7 to 10 days, and it literally stays on that long. It really does. So as I was editing this video, my college daughter called and FaceTimed me so I could help her decide which clothes to purge and take to a consignment store, blah, blah, blah. And she goes, "Oh, Mom, you are so cute. You look so cute. Show me your whole fit." So I showed her my whole thing. And then I said, "Hey," and I took off my glasses and I said, "Look what I did today." And I was showing her my lashes. I said, "I'm editing this video." And she was, oh, no, 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 no. She didn't approve, but she makes me feel so good sometimes, and then she can throw me down to the ground in 5 seconds. But anyway, she still said I was cute today, but she did not like these lashes. So they're fun. Just mess around, but be sure and give yourself a little extra time if you're going to put these on, and don't plan to go to your, favorite 10-year class, 50-year reunion or whatever if you've never experimented. Give yourself some time, get a flow going, And don't forget to put all the rest of your makeup on, or they will look like out of place without all the other stuff. In my opinion, some people like that look, whatever. I just want to encourage you to give this a go. What do you got to lose, man? Maybe an eyeball? I don't know. Okay, this length and curl is a little over the top, but it was fun. And I wish I would have taken my hair down and fixed my hair. This is from sleeping last night, and it would have helped this overall look better. But anyway, I did it. I'm going to do a shorter set next time, and it'll look more natural and maybe my curl will improve. I will put a couple of links to different sizes and shapes, and I do get that small commission if you use it. Thank you so much. And I try to release a video every Wednesday and Friday. So please subscribe, like, and comment.